Document the cleanness of the exhaust air. dol-51 measures the remaining ammonia concentration after passage of the filters on the clean gas side of the air cleaners. Combined with data from dol-53 on the inlet side of the air cleaner, data from dol-51 can be used to ensure that air cleaners run as efficiently as possible at the lowest possible cost of additives. dol-51 is an ammonia sensor specifically designed for continuous measurement of ammonia concentration in applications with high air humidity. dol-51 provides accurate ammonia measurements in concentrations up to 50 parts per million and has negligible cross-sensitivity to other gases. The sensor is mounted directly in the airstream without any need for tubes or pumps. The innovative design of dol-51 allows the sensor to operate under harsh conditions with extremely high humidity, 95% to 100%. Like all sensors from dol-sensors, dol-51 is well tested and therefore has a long service life without the need for calibration. Learn more at www.dol-sensors.com.